sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to
I eat pie long.
Hello, baby. He just woke up. He had a nice little nappy nap in the car, and we are at
Bloedel's conservatory, or however you pronounce it. We're going to see a bunch of flowers, a bunch of birds, tropical birds. They said that it has 100 different species of birds, so hopefully we can capture them not sleeping, and yeah, we're going to have a good time.
I told Giddo we were going to see birds. Anyways, then he's like, bird, bird. He sees the crow over there. But I'll show you this beautiful fountain. So we're kind of like, we're up on a hill. It's too bad I can't zoom in and zoom out. I wonder what happened with that. Whatever happened with that, I do not know. Anyways, I'll show you the fountain when we get closer because I can't zoom in. So we are going to see the water fountain. Giddo's got so much to look at. Hey. Here
comes the water.
we go. Look at it. It's going to come up again. It's going to get loud. Is it getting so much bigger now? Whoa, and louder too. Wow! Is that cool? Let's go. Oh.
All done. All done.
And then it'll build again and do it all over again. We'll catch it on our way out, hey?
But that's
where we're going. I'd zoom in if I could, but I lost it.
Dome.
Giant glass dome, he says. There's our ladies in red and pink. See, it's starting to build again.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh.
Oh, it's still going. All right. I think we told you guys already why Babs has crutches. Did you tell them already why you have crutches?
I was battling an alligator,
And by alligator, he means playing basketball, 2.5 weeks ago? And then rolled his ankle really good. Now he's on crutches. You want a hand? Do you want a hand?
No.
Yeah, we'll put down. This is where we're gonna go in here. Good job, baby. Good job. Oh, and he's free.
Yep.
Well, let's go see the birds. Do you want to go see the birds? Come on, Giddo. Are you so big? Are you so big? Wow. Look at you go. Yeah.
Did you show them the big cool chicken bird?
Well, right now it's just videoing the roof. Just angle it down a bit, I think. There we go. Let me see, any birds down here? I don't see any birds. It's windy up there. I see there were some little tiny birds. Little baby birds. They're flying all around. Oh, please be aware of baby little birds on the pathway. Do we see any birds down here? A wishing well.
Ah.
Yeah, there's water. Really pretty flowers. A little bridge for us to cross. Wow. Oh, I see birds flying around up there. I see some birds flying around up there. Wait, where?
See a bird here?
Oh, here.
Little birds making that pretty noise.
Yeah, birds.
1 second, I'm gonna do. Oh, look at that.
There's a bird in there too. Oh, did you hear that? Look at all these beautiful flowers. I see a parrot over there. I see a parrot. Yeah, look at that big parrot. We're definitely going to have to go over there. A mouse. A little mouse. Look at, they got fish in here. Oh, a tiny mouse. Fish. Looks like koi. Koi fish.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? What do you see? Whoa, fish. That looks like a koi fish. Hello. Hello. Yeah, hello. Hi. 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 Yeah. Look at he's showing you. Look at my beautiful feathers. So pretty. Aren't they so pretty? This is Carmen green-winged macaw. And Maria is also a green-winged macaw. Hello, Carmen. Hello, Maria.
Oh, that's a pretty one, right, kiddo? His name is Art.
Pardon?
His name is Art.
Oh, the other two were Carmen and Maria. More birds? Let's see.
Chico and Pedro. So peaceful in here. Let's go see this white bird. What's this guy's name? His name is Maui. It's got a little stick and it's itching itself. There's a parrot that says hi. Look, look. Look.
Hi, this is Art.
Hi.
He wants to keep going. Hi.
Did you see a bird? It's so big, right? It's a big
That was
bird.
Art.
He was going for a walk. Going for a walk.
Hello. Get out. Hi. Oh dear. No, come this way. Mama help you. Gideon, Gideon, come this way. Mama help you. Yeah, come this way. Come down over here. Oh. See, now if Mama didn't kind of hold you, then you would have. Okay, Mama help you with that. Hey guys, so we just finished at the conservatory. We're outside. Kiddo's doing stairs and steps and playing on fun things and seeing the squirrels and all the beautiful stuffs here. And I think we're getting a bit hungry, so we're probably gonna go get some food. We'll probably show you, yeah, squirrel. We'll show you the foods too, because it's gonna be good, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'll show you a little Kiddo. Hey.
Kiddo, be careful, please.
Yeah. Where's the squirrel? Where'd he go? I don't see the squirrel. Can I help you? There you go. He just loves doing stairs. This one you could probably do. Yep, excellent. Goes down only to go right back up again. Wonder what that building is. This building right here. I do not know. Anyways, one last view of our beautiful surroundings here. It's a beautiful warm day today too, which is so nice. All right, and off to get food. You got a rock. What did you get? You got a flower? Beautiful. All right, here we go. Hey.
We're back home, and we got our food, and let us show you.
Oh my goodness. This is my first time seeing it. It looks amazing. Okay, so what is this?
So yours is the original sando.
Okay.
It's a giant chicken breast with
Huge.
pickles, coleslaw, and then toasted bun. Wow. You guys look at my guy. I got the double. Got 2 pieces of chicken, pickles, coleslaw, a slice of cheese that's supposed to be melted, but that still is gonna be good. And then over here we have some fried chicken poutine with pickles, pickled onions, cheese, fries underneath. It's gonna be good.
And we did get Kiddo, but he already ate his chicken tenders. And he had the honey mustard sauce, ketchup, and what's this sauce?
I don't know. We'll try it.
Just a dipping sauce?
Yeah.
Ooh, looks so good.
So, yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm hungry.
Make sure to check out our mukbang and
Where is this place? DL Chicken?
DL Chicken.
In Vancouver.
Vancouver, yep. So we're gonna eat in our mukbang. So you can join us there if you want.
Sorry.
But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye.